Good morning, Daryl with the Automatic Trade Desk. It is May 18th, 2022, 6:06, almost 7 a.m. Pacific time. Current price on the ES, current price on the NQ. Daily candlesticks for each here. You can see we have some negative energy in the market. Getting close to a target over here. Open trades on both. Currently 5 contracts short on the ES, 5 contracts short on the NQ, open P&Ls for both, and a closed P&L on the NQ. So already have a closed P&L on the NQ, 74.80, and an open P&L. So we've been in trades all night on these instruments, and we're about ready to have the cash open of the American stock market. That's in about 22 and change minutes. And we're going to check back in on this as it gets more active. We're very close to a target down here. We'll also check back in if we get down like we're going to hit that. And it looks like we are very close. We're pushing down to our target here. Definitely no hands with automatic trading. We don't know. I see that it looks like the NQ's got a little bit of a tail going here, a little bit of a wick. So I don't know if this is going to be upper pushing from here, and we won't hit our targets. Regardless, it's automatic trading. We had automatic entries last night, and here we go. We're still pushing down towards it. But we're on the ES, we're on a 5-minute candlestick over there. So it can take its time in hitting its target. Right now we're on the last 60 seconds of that candlestick. So the winners tend to do it at the end, and there it is. There we've hit target on the ES, and closed P&L 93.75, 5 contracts short, just hit target there, right, almost 610, and now hit target on the NQ as well. Call attention to the closed P&L over here on the NQ. Oh, this is within $40 of my goal. So guess what? I'm unenabling this strategy, which means it's not going to be trading again today. And I'm just going to call that good. And so let's bring up the daily chart. There it is. Okay. And this is our result then for the day on the NQ. The ES, we still have a little ways to go. So we'll see if we take another trade on that. But amazing automatic trading, all prior to the cash open of the American stock market. As you can see, 2 great trades right in front of your eyes. So amazing trading, and we'll check back in on the ES trade a little bit later. Okay, I restarted this. I realized that, so I restarted with a continuous on enablement on the strategy over here on the NQ. Why did I do that? Because I realized my max P&L is actually 17.5 today. Okay, so going for another 2,500. So we're in a trade over here on the NQ, now long, and we're about 9.5 minutes before the cash open of the American stock market. Okay, we're about 1 minute and 15 seconds before the cash open of the American stock market. If you see this P&L here get to around a little over 2,500, that's when we're going to take the max P&L for the day, and trading will stop here. We have less than 60 seconds before the squirrels start chasing around price here. That's what I say when it's going to start getting really busy. So another 45 seconds or so, and price is going to wake up, and price will be pushed around by a large imbalance of orders, and that's what happens at the open of the American stock market. So we could just as easily stop out or hit our target in a flash here. Okay, so we'll see what's going to happen. We're now about 20 seconds away, okay? And it should be a very dramatic difference in price. And just maybe 10 seconds now. And 5 seconds. And the stock market open. Here you go. Now we're going to see a lot of volume coming in. See the volume down here just eclipsing the rest of the volume we had. Keep an eye on this P&L. We may just race down and hit our stop, but if we get into a positive territory of a little over 2,500, that's when you'll see this strategy take its target for the day if it happens. Otherwise, we'll stop out and we'll continue to be trading. So take a look at that volume, first candlestick there, 3,000 contracts, okay? That and compared to the rest of our volume overnight, that's how liquid we are at the cash open in the American stock market. So I love to be trading at this time. And as you can see, it's printing against us. So we will likely stop out from this trade with the selling pressure if it continues. And which is not to worry. Automatic trading, okay? We had automatic entries, we had automatic bracket orders, we had automatic time management, we had automatic trade management, we have automatic P&L management, and you can see we're printing negative and positive just as I'm even talking here. So we're kind of basing sideways. Probably have a real plunger to the downside here pretty quick. Downside energy on the daily candles, or could easily pop to the upside and right up in here somewhere become our target for the day. So we'll pop back in when it looks like it's going to do something, okay? Okay, price is getting where it can flirt around and get to us in no time at all. We're within about, I'd say $1,000, $1,500 or so of a target over here for the day. So we'll see if it hits it. Once again, we got to be slightly above 2,500 on this P&L here for that to happen. As you can see, we're pushing up right now. Just in that last candlestick, bridged half of it. Just taking a look at this, we're getting close here to our target. Another maybe $1,000 or so, and we'll hit our max P&L over here on the NQ. So we're looking for that to happen. And well, do we know it's going to happen? No, nobody knows what the very next tick is. Could it get us at any time? Yeah, it could get us at any time. Max P&L on 5 contracts on the NQ today looks like 17,500 over here. So will we get there? We don't know. Right now, very active price, as you can see. We're within just ticks now. There we go. 17,500. Daily limit reach. Trading stop. You gotta love that. 6:34 a.m. Pacific time. Awesome automatic trading on the NQ today. Very respectable result for 5 contracts, okay? $3,500 a contract. Amazing trading on the NQ. On the ES, amazing trading. We were in a short all night. Took target this morning, right before the open. Now price can do what it wants. We're flat. We're just waiting for the next entry on the ES. NQ, done for the day, 17.5. Amazing automatic trading. The results speak for themselves. Have a great day.